Welcome. In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't read your face properly. So the first thing to do in such situation is to set up a new face model. To do that, go to settings, select security, then go to face, confirm, and if you have some previous face models set up on your phone, then remove them beforehand, and once you're ready, grab a dry towel and wipe the surface of your frontal camera just to make sure that you can clearly see your face in it, and also make sure that the lights in your room are set up properly. Once you're ready, click Start Enrollment and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. Click OK. And before we proceed, let's also check if our device is up to date, so go back to Settings and select System Update. And if you have any updates pending, then take your time and install them, just to make sure that all the features are up to date too. And before we try our new face model, let's hold down the power button and the volume up key at the same time and restart our phone, just to make sure that all the settings are applied. And once the phone is restarted, let's first unlock it, and then let's try to lock it again and use our face to check the face unlock feature. And as you can see, everything went successfully, so I hope it did for you too. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.